love your daddy? Why do you love your dad? Because of your Apple Watch? Okay. Why do you love your dad? Oh, because you like hugging. Yay! Anyone else who wants to say something for their daddy? Ay, Clay, si Trax muna, Clay. Tapos si Trax. Clay, come in. Come in, Trax. Okay, why do you love your daddy, Trax? Why do you love your daddy? Because? Oh, so many things. Okay, now Clay, don't play. Your turn.
Safe na safe.
Nothing. Okay, why do you love your daddy? Why do you love daddy? I like daddy.
Ano sasabihin natin? Ano sasabihin natin? Naturong mula mo ng buhay pa.
I brush my teeth every day. Okay, anyone else? Kyrie, you want to say something? No? Ready? Oh, baby Adam, why do you love your daddy, baby Adam? Okay, everybody clap hands for baby Adam. Yay! Okay, meron pa po? Anyone else? Sidon, you want to say something? What? Some Sidon's shy? Okay, so, children, every day is supposed to be a Father's Day. I know fathers are always busy. Fathers sometimes are not at home because they're doing something very, very important. But always remember that your dad always loves you. Okay? Now, everybody go and hug your daddies right now. Go! Hug daddies and give daddies a kiss.